guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and I am doing a 5 things I no longer buy.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
I have wanted to do a video like this since I started my channel more than a year ago, so I am so excited and I'm gonna jump right in. The number one thing I no longer buy are paper towels and paper napkins. I stopped buying these probably about 5 years ago now, and I'll never go back. You save so much money, it's really good for the environment, and it's really not a lot of extra work. I wash my bath towels twice a week at least anyways, so I just throw in the napkins and cleaning cloths with those. So I guess the only extra work is a little bit extra folding, but it's not that hard to fold a few towels a couple times a week. So I love it, and it's just softer. It feels better on our skin, and I just love that I don't have to buy that anymore. Number 2 is garbage bags, and while this is good for the environment, it's not completely green. What I use in lieu of purchased garbage bags are the plastic bags that you'd get from like Target or a drugstore. Those small plastic bags, I use those in our kitchen garbage can to collect our garbage. And so I'm not getting rid of plastic completely, but I'm not purchasing something, I'm kind of reusing. So I really like doing this. I've probably done this for like 8 years. I do try to bring reusable bags to the store, but sometimes I don't, and I'll save those bags for our garbage. It's really nice. The third thing I no longer buy are conventional cleaners. I don't buy Windex, I don't buy bleach, I don't buy carpet cleaner, toilet bowl cleaner. I have a video that I did recently on my DIY cleaners. 90% of my household is cleaned with vinegar, water, and essential oil. I make my own linen spray. I'll use baking soda to clean carpet. And yeah, it's really nice to not have to buy that. It not only saves money, but it's just full of gross chemicals that aren't good for the environment or for the house. So I love it. Number 4 is Saucy. I no longer buy tampons or pads or menstrual materials like that. I have not bought a tampon or a pad in probably 3, maybe 4 years. Never go back, ladies. It's all about the menstrual cup. I will link mine below. It is so nice. I don't want to go into too many details about my vagina right now, but you will thank me later. Menstrual cup. I buy the Diva. And the number 5 thing I don't buy anymore, I kept at the end because it is a joy kill. If you don't want to hear it, click off now. See you next time. And that is candles. They're so pretty, they smell so good, they create such an ambiance, but they are not good for you. I won't go into too much detail because again, you might not want to know. They're not good for you or your house. What I do, this is a lie. The candle that I will light in my house right now are beeswax candles. That's the only thing I'm really comfortable with right now. Those are actually good for your health and for your air, but soy even, and not good. So I have my beeswax candles, which are expensive, so I only buy them sometimes. And then I have LED candles that I have reusable batteries, and they're nice because they come on a timer. So I get home from work and they're on, and I get that ambiance. And then for the smells, I do essential oil and diffuse. So that's what I do for ambiance and some fresh scents in our house. So that is everything. Those are 5 things I no longer buy. I'd love for you to leave a comment below and add a couple things that you no longer buy anymore. And hopefully we can all get some new ideas or just kind of creep on each other and see how other people do things around their house. I hope you enjoyed. If you are new, I would love to have you subscribe, and whatever your plans are today, I hope you get them done. Bye, guys.
Ooh.